Blue cocktails, they look pretty and most of the time they are tasty. And we are making one today, ladies and gents. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks and we are making a blue train. Like always, this one's real easy to make, 4 ingredients only. It's a shaken cocktail and without further ado, let's crack straight into it. The main ingredient of this cocktail is gin. So 60 ml, 2 ounces. Followed by 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 ml of Cointreau. Third ingredient, freshly squeezed lemon juice, 22.5 ml, 3/4 of an ounce. And you can have a blue drink without blue curaçao, so 15 ml, half an ounce. Now we need ice. And we are going to shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds, like always. Beautiful. Now we need a pre-chilled glass. Discard the ice. And double strain cocktail into your pre-chilled glass. Look at that amazing color. I don't think there's one blue cocktail that looks ugly. Garnish with an orange wedge. And that's it, ladies and gents, blue train. Cheers. Yep, it's citrusy. You got Cointreau, you got lemon juice, you got blue curacao. It's not that sweet, which is good if you don't like sweet drinks. Citrus is dominant, a little bit of herbs from gin. Solidly balanced, not too bad, not perfect. It's okay. Yeah, I could drink more than one, so it's good. That's it, ladies and gents. We made a blue train, really easy to make. If you love blue drinks, if you love drinks that have a lot of citrus in it, this one's perfect for you. If you love gin, this one's perfect for you. Try it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.